What's up, guys? I'm Lewis Foodley Williams, also known as Arsehole by my wife. And we are here today, actually at Rumble and Hum, to unbox this. Kevin, focus. Okay, that's the cameraman giggling. We have a stab knife. Finally, we have a stab knife. There's 3 of them. Not in total. This will be very expensive. There's only 3 in the world. There's 3 models of them. We have the Spire. I've also spat in it. If my wife sees that, she's going to turn me into a sock puppet.
Hey, Bert.
Hey, Aaron.
Anyway, firstly the box. Let's get up close to the box because it is beautiful. It's actually, if you look at that red there, Pantone matched to the Rumble and Hum red. So that's the Rumble and Hum red. And then if we turn it around, you can see that super flash little stab logo Gucci'd into there. I don't know if I can say Gucci'd. I just said Gucci twice. 3 times if you can count that one. So, we're gonna go, I'm actually gonna unbox this upside down so you guys can see, because I've not only unboxed this before, I have all of these knives in every colorway, because there's 3 colorways of each knife. For those of us counting, that's 9 versions. So, now the cameraman's not laughing, now the other staff are laughing. Right, so we're gonna take this puppy off gently, briskly, take it off. Oh, cookie. And there we have a certificate of authenticity. And on the certificate, we will see, this is the Spire. Oh, c'est bon. I hope that's French for very good, or how much is the prostitute. Either way, this is the Spire, and then on it, you'll see what it's made out of. This is N690, all the knives are actually made out of N690. N690 made in Austria, high cobalt count, and it's, some people liken it to 440C steel. It's not that shit. 440C is not shit. It's also very good. Those of you who have 440C knives, shit. So we made ours under N690, which is the hardest rating of between 58 and 59. Call it 58 and a half. If they had halves, they don't. It tells you what's on the handle. I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to show you. And then it comes with a whole bunch of other things, which we're also going to unbox as well. Also, it tells you the date it was made, or DOM, and who made it. These knives are not only handmade and sourced and cut and designed, co-designed with me, but comprised of and put together by hand by Carl Odendahl from Odendahl Knives. Who is he? Fucking Google, you lady. So we're going to slot that one over there, and now we get some. Come close, come closer. Alright, so we're going to gingerly, every box looks just like this, so this one isn't specially made, they all look this fancy. I'm going to try and unbox it gingerly. I'm really nervous because just out of picture is my fucking wife. So, oh, look at them apples. So that is what you get when you buy one of these. Said knife. So this is the drop point, the Spire is the drop point. There's also a mini cleaver. And there is also a hybrid, which is the love child of the drop point and the mini cleaver, in one passionate Austrian night of debauchery. We also get this thing, which I will show you now. It's a T-lock. So, and this, which is the oil that goes on the blade to keep it clean and unscathed and unrusted. And then also this, which is in a nice little cocaine drug bag, which is the screws that hold the sheath and the T-lock in place. So we'll get to that in a second.
Here's a knife, do something with the knife.
I've been told that on my hand is some leftover writing from a previous client that I was tattooing who wanted a hand tattoo, and I said it was stupid. I have just demonstrated how stupid it is. The knife! Back to the knife. Now all you can focus on is my fingers, not the knife. Let me show you the knife. This is what it looks like. It is so beautiful. This one is an earth script. It also comes in grunt green, which is olive dab green, ODG, and it comes in carbon black, which is Knight's Pass. So those are the 3 handles. You get a matching Kydex sheath with each and every single one of them, matching obviously to the handle color, unless you wanted to specify it differently, in which case don't, because it would just make our life horrible. That's it in the sheath. If it was in any tighter fit, it would be a very tight fit. Also, my wife is still off camera. I love you, honey.
Like a glove.
Then this puppy, which through the use of these things, gets attached to these things. So it has little attachment holes, and then I'm gonna show you how it works quickly. It just flips up, so you don't have to take your belt off, because some of us are chunkier than others. I like to tuck my love handles in for warmth. Clicks together, slides in. That looked ruder than it should. Onto the belt. Kevin's laughing again. We'll probably have to redo this scene again. Clicks back and then locks. And in one foul movement, you have your knife on your belt. And it's set up to reverse grip, vertical carry, appendix carry, back carry, which is SOB carry, any carry you could possibly imagine or throw a stick at. Ladies and gentlemen, this is about, we all carry them. I all carry, this is my EDC, not this one. I'm a mini cleaver guy. Also could have had fun with that, but can't, because right now I have my ball and chain keeping me in line. So this is probably the most versatile of all the knives. It is the drop point, so it's traditional. You'll know it. It's to stab, hack, slash, and also fillet. The mini cleaver you can literally cut a tree down with, and then whittle it into a canoe. You can't whittle anything into a canoe with a mini cleaver unless you're really well talented. And then there's a hybrid, which is called the Snapjaw. The mini cleaver is called the Fat Chance. This is the Spire. And then the hybrid, which is sort of the girth of the mini cleaver and the sharpness of the Spire. It ticks all boxes that you could possibly tick. It is a box ticker, for want of a better description. They are, again, there's a usually 10 to 14 day working day waiting list for these, because they're all handmade. And we make them to order, so it's all custom made for you. And Daddy's Day is coming up. I'm just saying, socks and ties suck winky, so you'd much prefer this in your sock or your tie. I don't know how you get this in your tie. Anyway, so it's magnificent. They are now available for order. We do have some. Shame Carl has been trying his level best to bring down that 10 to 14 working day problem, because they are handmade. So we do have some in stock, depending if it ticks that box that you've ordered the right blade with the right handle on it. These are G10 scales. Thank you for listening. These are G10 scales, and if you look closely, you'll see there's actually carbon nanite spaces in there. So no expense has been spared. It's as custom as they come, and it's the best thing you can do with your clothes on. You can also get it onto your clothes a lot quicker thanks to that. Thanks for watching, guys.